I was here in the yacht in Dubai, but I saw something in the charts that made me take this phone and make this video very urgently. There is some specific altcoin that will explode and will most probably double in value. And I want to talk about this altcoin, plus I want to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Bitcoin just started a new weekly cycles, which means a very good news for every single Bitcoin investor, because everybody will make money within the next month. And to basically support my claims, first of all, I want to jump into this altcoin and I want to show to you what I see in the chart right now. If you open this graph on the left side, this is Celestia with Bitcoin graph. Okay, Celestia, Bitcoin. What do you see on the screen? At the bottom of the screen are the 1 day and 1 week cycle indicators that basically show us when we have to invest in the market. The red line represents the 1 week cycle that's currently going down, and the blue line represents the 1 day cycle, okay, which is basically a short-term action of the coin. And guys, there is nothing more bullish than this. There's nothing more bullish. I'm waiting for this moment for months to put my money into the market, because whenever the 1 week cycle indicator goes below 20, which is currently happening right now, and meets the 1 day cycle indicator below 20, which is also happening right now, supported by a positive price action, which we can see right now, it means only one thing. It means an explosion in price, okay? Let's go to the chart and let's see what happened previous times when this situation occurred. So previous times, we can go here in the past, we can see the 1 day cycle meeting 1 week cycle a couple of times, right? It happened here, and it happened here, okay? This time we haven't have an explosion. We actually went down by a little bit, okay? So from the buy signal that I have here on the chart, we actually went down by 30%, which is very unfortunate. However, if you entered again right here, when you got the second buy signal, you went up by 56%, and you basically made a lot of money. Interesting fact is that Celestia against Bitcoin, it's currently bottoming. Do you see this huge support level? This is not Celestia USDT graph. This is Celestia Bitcoin graph. And now if you go to Celestia USDT chart, which is this one, and you go a little bit back into the past, you will see a huge explosion of price like this one. Right from there, we had a very, very bearish period. Sure, we had some positive reactions in the price. However, most of the price action was bearish. And again, one more time, we are currently making a bottom, similar bottom that we had right there, okay? And we are making a similar bottom right now. My price target for Celestia, $4 at least. We are going to go to $4, and most probably at the end of the bull run, we're even going to go to $5. If you take a look and you basically draw, if you buy right now at 2.8 thousand, you're going to make 38%. And if you wait until $5, you're going to make 75%. And this is, guys, for me, it's a low risk investment. Why? Because the cycles show the way. The cycles show you when you should be more risk on and when you should be more risk off. And at the moment, we are currently going to this transition period when the cycles are bottoming. Sure, we can drop in price by 10, 20, or 30%, but we'll go up by 50, 60, 70, 80, or even 100%. This is Celestia, ladies and gentlemen. Now, my claims are supported by world-class investors, okay? And I want to show you something. Let's go back to Twitter. This is one of my favorite cycle investors, Bob Lucas. My strategy is very similar to Bob Lucas' strategy. And look what this guy is saying. This guy understands that right now we're at the weekly cycle bottom, and new weekly cycle just started. What it means to us, it means that basically we still have about 10 weeks of upwards price action. 10 weeks of upwards price action. Yes, it means we're going to smash all-time highs. We're going to go above 100K. And most important thing is that altcoins will have altcoin season. Altcoin season is confirmed by these moves that Bitcoin and other currencies just played within the last couple of weeks, okay? Now, you can see basically in the background, beautiful Dubai. I also want to show a little bit of my traveling, guys. As you know, I travel a lot. I go to a bunch of different places. And this is just Burj Khalifa just behind me. And there's a crypto event happening right now on the first stage of this yacht. I will show you a little bit more of Dubai within the next few days, okay, while I'm attending different events. Last thing of today, I want to show the Ethereum chart. If you already follow this channel, you know that I'm very bullish on Ethereum. And basically, Ethereum is pulling a world-class action. As you can see, Ethereum is pulling a bottom as well. Ethereum is bottom because 1 week cycle and 1 day cycle is about to meet below 20. The 1 week cycle, let's zoom in. The 1 week cycle started going up. Okay, the price is currently consolidating at the very bottoming levels, and 1 day cycle is going down. We will go up and we will gonna explode in price. My price target for Ethereum Bitcoin pair is over 40% right now. It's a short-term target, which means that Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, which means that not only Ethereum, but also other coins will actually increase in value more than Bitcoin, which means that we are in altcoin season, because altcoin season starts right now. It starts right now. I cannot say it starts today, but it starts within the next 7 or within the next 14 days. Okay, so apply cycle indicators, put them on your favorite altcoins. If you don't know how to apply cycle indicators, if everything that you see in this video is kind of confusing for you, you have to go to strategymaster.io, subscribe for the free newsletter, get access to the cycle indicators, and invest together with me and make money in the rest of the bull market. Next year, we're going to have a bear market. We're not going to have a huge and big cycle. Everybody's talking about super cycle and how, you know, all these altcoins are going to fly. No, your favorite XRP will most probably go below $1. Your favorite Cardano coin will most probably go below $1, because hey, these coins are not really used too much in production. The hype will fade away. The hype always fades away. But now it is the time to actually make money. And I want you to make money together with me. Okay? So do that. If you want to trade, you want to get the bonus, go down the description down below. Get a $10,000 bonus from BTCC right now. It's basically a 10% deposit bonus. Get the access to the cycle indicators, and see you in the next video.